Hey guys, welcome to today's video and welcome on into my beauty stash. I am so excited because I have the new collection from Nomad Cosmetics in my stash. This is the Greek Odyssey palette and it is a beauty. If you love blue, pay attention because you're definitely going to probably want to add this to your stash really soon. This is a full collection. I'm going to show you the other couple pieces that are going to be available as well, but this is their traditional 18 pan color palette full of mattes and beautiful shimmers, a really nice formula, consistent across all Nomad Cosmetics palettes. I am wearing this palette obviously on my eyes. I will be creating 2 looks with it in today's video. This is the end of my day on my first look and I think it looks pretty good. What do you guys think? So a little spoiler alert. A couple of the other things that are going to be available in this Greek Odyssey collection are this little highlighter blush trio right here. These are cream highlighters and I'm going to insert the swatches if you haven't seen them already of all of these products to help you make a good buying decision. So let's apply a little bit of this highlighter together. This is a cream product. I think if I mentioned it was powder, I was wrong. This is a cream product. So you can also apply this. I think it's better maybe with a fingertip or also maybe a sponge, but you can see, look at that. It gives a beautiful sheen to the cheekbones. And it's nice. You know, I haven't really been reaching for highlighter too much, but maybe this is something that I'm going to reach for. Also in the collection, but this is the only thing that is limited edition, is this beautiful scarf right here. It's a pretty big, good size scarf. So you could wear it, maybe my first instinct was to tie it to a handbag, the handle of a handbag, but I've seen girls wear these as like belts. You can wear it on your head, on your neck, whatever you please. This is limited edition. The makeup products are not. If you want the full bundle, it's gonna retail for $99. The palette alone will retail for $64, and each individual cheek product will retail for $19. All of this is gonna be available Monday, April the 27th at 4 p.m. CST. You can use my affiliate code STEFF10, and that will save you 10% off of your order over pretty much anything on the Nomad Cosmetics website. So maybe if you see another palette that you want to add to your cart at this time, might be a good time to do it. I will be creating 2 looks with this palette, hopefully give you guys some inspiration. Let's get started right now. Okay, so let's start creating look number 1 with this beautiful palette. I'm wearing like blue and purple and gold to work today. So we have a few options here. I think I want to definitely use these shades right here and then maybe pop it with some gold. So I'm going to start here with this one. And I'm using a Rephr 04 to apply in the crease. That is a very light, neutral, cool toned matte shade. Now I'm going to be going in with that deeper shade and I'm going to focus that. I think I'm going to do a little bit of a halo eye with it. So let me find my Rephr 13. Oh, I think I found it. That is the perfect brush. You see how little it is? Perfect brush for doing halo eye work. So I think I'll start right here in the inner corner. And just get a little bit and then start blending slightly into the crease. And then a little along the lash line. And then you're going to want to take a little bit and kind of diagonally take it up the eye. Then you can also just connect it with the prior shade, just meet them up. But you're leaving this empty space here for another shadow. You can flick it out if you think that works. Some people don't do the connecting. I do. I just like the way it looks. Now for the inner corner, I'm going to lay down a little bit of glitter glue, but I think I am going to go into this shade right here. All right, here we go with that beautiful shimmer shadow. Now, I was hoping that the matte shade was going to be a little more aubergine, but this is looking pretty purple. So not exactly what I was expecting, but still nonetheless pretty. Now I'm going to be touching up that matte shade on the outer corner and inner corner. Okay, now for the lower lash line, I think I'm going to go in with this shade right here. Using a little BH Cosmetics pencil brush to apply. I think I'm going to do something matte for, well, no, never mind. I thought I would do something matte for the inner corner, but I don't think there is a, actually I think I can. There's a white matte. I'm using that white matte and I'm just going to apply a little bit right there in the inner corner. I'm going to pop off camera, guys, take care of all the finishing touches, and I'll be right back to show you this first look with this new palette from Nomad Cosmetics. Okay guys, so here is the completed look number 1. I love the way this turns out, but it does look similar to a look I feel like I just created not too long ago. And that's because I didn't expect that purple to be that purple. Otherwise, I love the look. I think that the shadows performed well. I added some lashes. I think there are Ardell Wispy lashes, Essence black eyeliner on the top lash line, House Labs mascara, and for the lower waterline, a NYX Epic Wear eyeliner in the shade Intense Teal. Love this color combo. Now let's start creating look number 2. All right guys, so let's start creating look number 2. I am wearing a blue and white dress, very similar to the pattern of the scarf that comes in this collection. So there's a lot that we can play with. So I think I want to do the blues, and I'm going to start here with Odyssey. I'm using a Rephr 01 and I'm just going to start like stamping this in the crease and right above. This is some really awesome pigment. I love this shade and it's just applying so well. Now on a Rephr 14, I'm going to go in with this shade called Asylum, focusing this on the outer corner and into the crease. No, sister. Sister is here. She wants to say hello. Say hi, sister. She's trying to get into the palette. We cannot have that. Now, I'm going to add a little bit of that darker shade down here, just to the outer corner and kind of towards the lash line, just because I want to use the shades as well. Oh yeah, but look at the fallout. Okay, now we need to add a beautiful shimmer shadow to the lid, and I don't think I'm going to apply any glitter glue. I'm just going to go in with my finger, and this one looks so pretty right here. These feel so buttery, smooth. And apply that. This is a very smooth shadow. This one does not have texture to it. That is so, so pretty, but I want to add one more. I think I'm going to dip into this white one right here. This has like a little purple reflect, and we can just pop that right in the center with the blue underneath. It's going to look totally different than what it comes out in the pan. See, it almost has like an icy purple tint to it. This palette is definitely going to be for those of you that love your blue jewel tone eyeshadows. Now on a What's Up Beauty R107, I think I am going to go, I'm going to keep it all like a blue look. Could do this a light green, but it might be too light. I guess we can try this one. Let's try this one. Let's see if we can just get a different kind of a balance down here. And then I'll probably do something blue or maybe green in the waterline, just to punch up this color a bit. I actually feel I need to add a little bit of depth to this one, so I'm gonna dip into this shade right here, this green. So I think this is the one I wore yesterday. Just kind of tight line the lash line. Okay, now for the inner corner, I think I'm going to go in with this shadow right here, but I am going to spray the brush. Okay guys, I am going to hop off camera to take care of the finishing touches, and I will be right back to show you this completed look number 2. Okay guys, so here's the completed look number 2. Love the way it turned out. Same lashes and mascara from yesterday. However, I did go in with this LA Girl Super Shock eyeliner. This one is in the shade Fresh. It's like a minty shade. I think this eye look looks so fun. Perfect for summer. It is a hot day here in the Rio Grande Valley. So I am gonna wrap up this video once I get home from work. I wanna let you see how the look is going to look 10 hours later, and I will see you guys later on. Hey guys, so I have had this Greek Odyssey eyeshadow palette on for the last 10 hours, and I think it looks beautiful. I got a ton of compliments today, and I'm really happy with the color story, with the quality of the shadows. You have to love blue eyeshadow if you're going to pick this palette up. For me personally, the cheek products aren't for me. So I would stick to just the palette. Remember that they are going to have a bundle option available for $99. You can get the scarf, the palette, and the 2 individual blush items, or cheek items, I should say. The highlighter was probably my favorite of the 2, but those rainbow cream blushes just aren't for me. That's not something I'm reaching for, and I'm not even really reaching for highlighters. So if you're like me, I would just stick to the palette. I love colorful makeup. It's so much fun, and this palette definitely performed. It'll all be available on Monday, April the 27th at 4 p.m. CST. Don't forget, you can use my affiliate code STEFF10 to save you 10% off over on the Nomad Cosmetics website. I also want to thank Felicia and Auntie, the owners of Nomad Cosmetics, for sending me this collection in PR. I thoroughly enjoyed reviewing this collection. I'm very happy with the 2 looks I was able to create, and hopefully I was able to give you guys some inspiration in case you plan on picking anything up. Everything is going to be part of their regular stock, so nothing is limited edition with the exception of the scarf. The scarf is while a supplies last. Let me know your thoughts. Sound off in the comments down below. Let me know if Greek Odyssey is going to be in your future. I want to thank you guys so much for watching another one of my videos. Y'all have a great day or night wherever you all are at. Stay hydrated, drink that water, and I'll see you soon. Bye.